The Bandit's 1977 Pontiac Trans Am is one of the most iconic cars in movie history. But can it survive a jump? Let's see what she does at 45. And up she goes. Well, she stayed together. She ain't happy, but she's still going. I'd call that a win. That tells me we can go further. All right, let's push it to 55 miles per hour. Ouch, heavy on the nose there. Yeah, that's about it. She was driving until she wasn't. We'll just move on out from those trees. Now for a 65 miles per hour run. Stop that! She's done. Alright, let's finish this. 75 miles per hour. Some bitch.